Hey my pretty besties, welcome back to the channel. If you've been struggling with dry, frizzy, or stubborn hair that just refuses to glow or grow, then stop scrolling because this video is going to be your game changer. Today I'm sharing the ultimate $0 glow-up guide for silky, shiny, and long hair. So let's get started. 1. Scalp Detox plus Exfoliation. Your scalp is where healthy hair begins. A clean scalp means happy roots, and happy roots mean faster growth. And don't worry, you don't need any fancy scrub. Just a little kitchen magic. Mix sugar with honey and gently apply it on your scalp with your fingertips. Remember, fingertips only, never nails. Massage in small circles, leave it for a few minutes, and rinse with cool water. It removes all the dirt, buildup, and flakes, leaving your scalp refreshed and ready for growth. Pro tip: do this once a week, preferably on weekends when you have time to pamper yourself. Just avoid it if your scalp has any cuts or irritation. 2. Daily scalp massage. Bestie, if you're dreaming of those Rapunzel vibes, let me spill the secret. Scalp massage is everything. Just 5 minutes every night can literally change your hair game. Flip your head upside down, use your fingertips, and gently massage. It's like waking up your roots and giving them a burst of oxygen. And don't stress if you don't have oils. It still works wonders dry. But if you do have coconut, almond, or even olive oil at home, warm it up a little and massage it in. Trust me, it feels like a luxury spa moment, but for $0. 3. Rice water. Okay, now let me spill my favorite glossy hair secret: rinses. Rice water is like protein and vitamins in a bottle. Just soak rice overnight, strain it, and apply it to your scalp and strands for 15 minutes before rinsing. If the smell bothers you, add some orange peels. 4. Green tea rinse. Green tea, on the other hand, is full of antioxidants. It reduces dandruff, controls shedding, and makes your hair soft and shiny. The best part? You don't even need to wash it out. Just spray and go. Pro tip: use rice water twice a week and green tea daily if you want super quick results. 5. DIY hair masks. Bestie, homemade masks are such a game changer. They honestly beat those expensive store-bought ones any day. And the best part? You already have the ingredients sitting in your kitchen. Let me share 2 of my all-time magical combos. First, the egg mask. Just whisk 1 egg, add a spoon of yogurt, mix it up, and apply it all over your hair. Pop on a shower cap and let it sit. When you rinse it out with cold water, never hot or you'll have scrambled eggs in your hair, your strands get this crazy protein boost and look instantly glossy. Then, the banana plus honey mask. Mash 1 ripe banana with a spoon of honey. Smooth it into your hair and leave it for about 30 minutes. Not only does it smell like a tropical dessert, but when you wash it out, oh my god, your hair feels soft, silky, and bouncy like never before. 6. Rosemary water magic. Bestie, if I had to crown just one magic potion for hair, it would hands down be rosemary water. It's literally nature's growth tonic. All you have to do is boil fresh rosemary leaves, let the water sit overnight, strain it, and pour it into a cute little spray bottle. That's it. Your DIY hair elixir is ready. Just spray it on your scalp daily, no rinsing needed. Rosemary stimulates your hair follicles, reduces hair fall, and trust me, within a few weeks you'll start noticing those tiny baby hairs making an entrance. It's like green tea's older, more powerful sister. Faster, stronger, and totally free. 7. Everyday habits. Now let's be real. Glowing hair isn't just about DIYs. It's the little everyday habits that add up. Drink enough water because shiny, strong hair starts from within. Whenever you step out, cover your hair with a scarf or cap. It's like sunscreen for your strands. Skip the tight ponytails. Use soft scrunchies or keep it in a loose braid to avoid breakage. Sleep on satin or silk pillowcases for frizz-free mornings. No silk? Just wrap your pillow in a soft cotton t-shirt. Wash your combs weekly. Dirty combs transfer oil and build up back into your hair. 8. Mindset glow. Bestie, remember, hair growth isn't some overnight magic. It's patience plus consistency. Don't stress. Don't keep checking your length every other day. Instead, speak kindly to yourself. My hair is growing, my hair is healthy, my hair is beautiful. And that's your $0 silky hair glow guide. No money, no salon, just simple hacks, consistency, and a little kitchen magic. If you try any of these, drop your favorite hack in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can keep glowing together every week.